Unpack the box, handle gently. Take out the sealing gasket of vent cover and put it on the air outlet. Make sure screw holes match one by one. Twist the screws into the screw holes with the screwdriver smoothly. 8 screws should be tightened up well. If there is a cabinet, the bottom of the range hood needs to be parallel to the bottom of the cabinet during installing, using a marking pen to mark the bottom. Then measure the distance from the bottom of the range hood to the center of mounting bracket. Different types have different height. To ensure the location of the mounting bracket, and mark it with the marking pen. Then the center of the range hood installing is clear. Use the marking pen to draw 4 marks in the mounting bracket hole above the record just made, and mark the place of 6 cm above the mounting bracket hole as the location of fixing the safety block. When there's a need to install the Lenson decorated duct cover, move the center of the range hood vertically close to the ceiling. Then use the U-shaped mounting bracket of the decorated duct cover to locate the punching place. Use a percussion drilling with 10 mm diameter to strike 60 mm deep round holes, including 4 mounting bracket holes, 2 U-shaped mounting bracket holes of the decorated duct cover, and 1 safety block hole. Before punching, pay attention to ask the users whether there are any laid pipelines of water, electricity, or gas behind the wall needing drilling, preventing to punch through the pipelines. The expansion pipes should be buried in a vents. The screws should be fixed firmly. Install the discharge aluminum pipe. The discharge aluminum pipe is better no longer than 1.5 meters, and the radius of turning circle is better larger and less turning, to avoid airflow being hindered, thus affecting the flow of wind. Put a Sisto sediment on the hearse and put the range hood on it. Hang the machine. Keep the range hood in the center and check whether it is hung firmly. Fix the safety block. Connect the discharge aluminum pipe to the vent cover and make sure it is set well. Use a screw spike to fix it. Seal the connection with aluminum tape and plug in the power. Install the outer cover and the decorated duct cover of the draught fan. Clean the installation site. Explain to the users the usage of oil cup and each switch of the range hood. Explain to the users the clean out and maintenance of the range hood.